Hi there, students. Under your nose, under somebody's nose. Okay, we use this idiom in two ways. In a place that's easy to see or easy to find. Yeah, so I was looking for my glasses for hours and they were right under my nose the whole time. Yeah, it's as if they were placed right here. Yeah, I couldn't find my keys and they were right under my very nose. Yeah, they were sitting beside me on the table. And then we can also use this phrase under somebody's nose to mean when they are present. So he stole the bottle of whiskey right under the security guard's nose. So the security guard was standing there and he stole the bottle of whiskey while this person was physically present. Yeah, the employees had been pilfering stock right under his nose. Okay, so something that's right there, it's in plain sight, it's easy to find, or in somebody's presence. Yeah. So yeah, he put the permission slip under the policeman's nose to commit an action boldly, openly, but nobody notices. So yeah, the phone was stolen from right under his nose. So notice, was stolen under his nose, right under his nose, right under his very nose. You can use all of those as intensifiers. Okay. Yes, let's see. It's one thing to know about this behavior, but it's very different to have it happen right under your nose. Yeah. So it happens in your presence and you probably can't do anything to stop it. Yeah. Or you've just got to put up with it. Yeah. The teacher discovered that they'd been cheating right under his nose in his presence. Yeah. So if you look for something and it's under your nose, it's in the place where it belongs, in an obvious place. Yeah. I was looking for my wallet and it was right under my nose. It was in my pocket the whole time. Yeah. So it was easy to see. Yeah. It was clearly visible. If you paid more attention, you would have seen that the answer was right under your nose. It was obvious, it was apparent, it was easy to see, it was where it should have been. Okay, I'm really bad at finding things that are under my nose. It's where it should be, but I just can't see it for some reason. Okay, so literally the origin, it's under your nose. Well, it's quite difficult actually to see things that are under your nose, I suppose, but well, it's easy to see. And in the plural, it was right under our noses. It was right under our very noses the whole time. Formality. It was right under your nose. I would probably give this a 4.5 in formality. An informal conversation, perfect. A semi-formal conversation, yes. A semi-formal writing, just about, and no more. Okay? So, if something is in front of your nose, it's clearly visible. Yeah, it's something that you can see. Or it's something that's obvious. Yeah, you should have known it was there. Or it happens in your presence. Okay, so it's not nice when unpleasant things happen right under your very nose. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Under your nose, right under your very nose.